हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू इंडिया स्टॉक मार्केट। सो गाइज, आज हम बात करेंगे रिलायंस क्वार्टर वन रिजल्ट के बारे में। लेकिन उससे पहले आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट्स कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और हाँ, बेल आइकन को दबाना मत भूलिए। आपका प्यार और सहयोग आवश्यक है, तो सहयोग दीजिएगा। चलिए आज कुछ नया सीख लेते हैं। ओके, लेट्स मूव। सो गाइज, आज हम बात करते हैं रिलायंस क्वार्टर वन रिजल्ट्स। प्रॉफिट राइज 46% ईयर ऑन ईयर to rupees 17,955 crore. Revenue jumps 54.5%. Okay, let's move. Okay, New Delhi, Reliance Industries NSE 0.68% on Friday reported at 46.29% year-on-year surge. It consolidated net profit of rupees 17,955 crore for June quarter, compared with rupees 12,273 crore in the corresponding quarter last year. An ET Now poll of analysts had anticipated the profit figure at rupees 24,311 crore. Okay. The oil to telecom major said its revenue for the quarter jumped 54.54% to rupees 2,23,113 crore from rupees 1,44,372 crore in the same quarter last year. The ET Now poll had forecast the sales figure at rupees 2,44,244 crore. Consolidated EBITDA for the quarter come in at rupees 40,179 crore, up 45.80 crore year on year. Cash profit stood at rupees 31,916 crore, up 46.2% year on year. Okay. The margin for the quarter come in at 17.3%. This is against the ET Now poll projection of 17%. The company said the quarter saw the highest ever revenue for O2C business in a volatile environment. It said it was also the best quarter for Reliance Retail in terms of revenues, which stood at rupees 58,554 crore, up 51.9% year on year. Also, the quarter was the best in revenue terms for Jio platforms. Revenue from this segment stood at rupees 27,527 crore, up 23.6% year on year. The company said in a press release. Okay, retail segment revenue increased on account of favorable revenue mix, new store additions, normalized operation of stores, and sustained growth in digital and new commerce businesses. Chairman and Managing Director Mukesh Ambani said geopolitical conflict has caused the significant disclosure in energy markets and disputed traditional trade follows. This, along with the resurgent and demand, has resulted in tight fuel markets and improved product margins. Despite significant challenges posed by the tight crude markets and higher energy and freight costs, O2C business has delivered its best performance ever. Ambani said he is happy with the progress of Reliance consumer platforms in the retail business. Said he, the company continued to focus on enhancing the consumer touch points and building a stronger value proposition for our customers. Okay, our strong supply chain infrastructures and sourcing efficiency are helping us maintain competitive pricing for daily essential, thereby insulating consumers for inflationary pressures, and customer engagement on our digital services platform remain high, Ambani said. Okay. Reliance chairman said the company new energy business is forging the partnership with technology leaders in solar energy, storage solutions, and the hydrogen ecosystem. Okay, this partnership will help us realize the vision of clean, green, and affordable energy solutions for all Indians, he added. The telecom Jio platform reported a 24.1% year-on-year rise in net profit at rupees 4,530 crore on 23.6% year-on-year rise in sales at rupees 27,527 crore. EBITDA margin for the segment come in at 47.7%, up 176 bps year-on-year, led by average revenue per user approved increase in connectivity and business, partly offset by inflationary pressure on operating cost. At ARPU for the quarter of rupees 175.70 per month saw a health 27% growth on a year-on-year basis and 4.8% growth on quarter-on-quarter basis. In the O2C segment, revenue rose 56.7% year-on-year to reach rupees 1,61,715 crore. This segment revenue was driven by higher price realizations with increased volumes of transportation. Okay. Transportation fuels in an environment of higher crude prices, energy costs, and product prices. The benchmark Brent crude average price was up 65% year-on-year, $113.9 per barrel. Okay, so guys, New Delhi Reliance Industries on Friday reported at 46.29% year-on-year surge in consolidated net profit at rupees 17,955 crore for June quarter compared with rupees 12,273 crore in the corresponding quarter last year. ओके सो गाइज आज के लिए बस इतना ही, कल फिर मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए अनुमति दीजिए, नमस्कार, बोलो राधे राधे।